when is a signal to buy? Well, I like to buy when everyone's freaking out, when there's blood in the streets, which is something that Mr. J.P. Morgan, Piermont Morgan, said years ago. You got to buy when everyone's freaking out, and I'll show you the telltale sign for that. And it's going to feel uncomfortable for all of us too, but I'll show you. What you do is go to finance.yahoo.com, okay, and then what you do, and you put this on your watch list. Not to buy, but there's something called the VIX, which is it's a volatility index on the Chicago Board of Exchange. And it's basically a fear index. And what it means is it means how scared are people. And so you want to buy when this thing is at an all-time high or close to it. So let me show you what this means. Okay. Now, this, and let me actually go back and show you. Let me see if I can go full screen here. Okay, yeah. The VIX is a fear index. So it was created back in 1990. And you saw a little spike early on, just after 1990. The data here doesn't show you because of Gulf War I. Then this spike here, this is because of the Asian financial crisis back in the late 1990s, 1998 to be exact. And I remember right here, this is when there was so much fear out there. I was working at Goldman Sachs that Alan Greenspan cut rates. It was a surprise. Back in 98, the market went nuts. Right here is when the dot-com bubble almost burst. Let me get you better data points, though, here. Let me get more recent. But the all-time high was actually last March, okay? Even higher than in 2008, okay, when we were within 24 hours of bank machines not working. So right here, you see that reading of 82? Okay, that was March of 2020. That was the all-time high for the VIX. Massive fear, okay? And that's when you need to back up the truck. And it will feel so uncomfortable as well, I promise you. Yeah. But even if you go back to 2008 right here, it peaked at around 79 or so, which is slightly below where the VIX peaked last March. So you need to buy stocks and investments when everybody else is completely freaking out. That's the only way to make money, is to be a contrarian. Because if you buy stocks that everybody else likes, then what ultimately happens is there's not that many incremental investors to buy to push the stock higher. So just be a contrarian and watch your net worth take off.